In this video, I'm going to teach you how to walk slow in Rainbow Six Siege on PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you already played Rainbow Six Siege on console, or if you are probably aware, to walk in there, all you have to do is slightly press the joystick forward or in the direction that you want to walk. On PC, since we don't have those analog controls, what we have to do instead to walk slow is set a specific keybind. Just like you have the crouch and prone keybind on PC, you will be able to find the walk keybind as I'm showing you on screen. It's going to be located under crouch and prone, and you can assign any key on your keyboard or controller to walk in Rainbow Six Siege on PC. So first, open up the settings, go there and change the walk keybind. If I'm not mistaken, the usual keybind is Alt on PC. After you change this keybind, you might want to go over to the Controls tab as well and make sure to set it to either hold the walk key or toggle the walk key. After you set a keybind, you will be able to use it to walk slowly in Rainbow Six Siege on PC. I hope I was able to help you on how to walk slow in Rainbow Six Siege PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.